Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 6 of NEWvember. I'm doing a challenge to help myself stay focused and accountable for my daily points. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, be sure to watch this video. Today's going to be a little bit different. It's football Sunday, so we kind of have some kind of football food. Today is subs, so I will be sharing that, but I have not eaten anything yet today. I'm brought some pumpkin bread over, so I'm probably going to have a piece of that with a cup of coffee. I brought an apple and some poppable snacks for me to have with my sandwich. So that is kind of what we're doing today, so it's going to be a little bit different. It is a beautiful fall day, so I'm going to take a walk, get some steps in, and watch some football. So this is what I'm considering my breakfast. It's a piece of pumpkin bread. I bought a loaf at the craft show yesterday and counting it as 10 points with the light butter. And then I also had an iced coffee for 1 point. The weather has been so nice this year for fall. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's about 65 degrees. So I thought I'd get some steps in. Have my Apple Watch on to track, but this week has been car going by. This week has been kind of more hard this week. I've had my granddaughter with me for several days, so it's hard to get the steps and the exercise in I want, so I'm trying to get some in right now for today, which is Sunday and day 6. Really, I shouldn't make excuses for getting exercise in. I should do it whether or not I could always do a fitness video with her or some walking or whatever. But I like to sometimes go to the gym and haven't been able to. So we'll see what we can do and start improving on getting some more steps in every day. For our football lunch today, we had DeBella's subs. I had a 6-inch sub with roast beef and provolone cheese, added some horseradish mayo, and figured out the points. The sandwich was 21 points, and then I had 4 points worth of the poppables, which I brought with me, so this lunch is 25 points. So I was offered some Lorna Doone cookies, but I decided to have the apple that I brought. Win for me. I hate being around food. So this is what I'm being tempted with right now. A hot, cheesy sausage pepperoni pizza, and I'm not gonna have any because I already went over my points today. Willpower in action. Instead of pizza, I made a quesadilla out of a 1-point tortilla. I filled it with fat-free beans and a little bit of 1 point's worth of cheese and 1 point's worth of a light sour cream on the side. So this is 3 points instead of having the pizza. Even though I went over my points for the day, this is a win for me because I always have my weeklies to use. Here's a snack I'm having tonight. It is 2 cups worth of kettle corn, and that is a 5-point snack. It's sweet and salty, so it's really good. So that's going to be the end of day 6 of my NEWvember challenge. I ended the day using 44 points. I did go over my points for the day, but that's what weeklies are for. So you can always use them if you're having a day where you might eat more. And that's what I did today. And there was a lot of difficult choices. I hate being around food when I like it and I don't want to eat it. But I did the best I could, made some substitutes, so it all worked out and I made it through this day. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.